Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's quickly look at the analysis of Nifty, what exactly it has to offer in context of next trading session. So let's see, these are the swing high and swing low point which I was discussing yesterday, that they will be offering some good risk reward opportunities. This was the low I was discussing. If it breaks like this and gives some consolidation, you should be getting short. Or in case a pattern like this just around a low or high is made, and then after it breaks, then also we can open a short position. So this was the position where we could have opened a short. We would have sold it, and later it would have been out at the trailing stop loss, the first stop loss here, second here, and third here. So once this small swing low was broken to the upside, I think the pattern was over and we would have been stopped out. So what's next? As you see on the daily chart, this is Nifty futures chart. It is not a spot chart. That's why I wanted to mention that. If you see, this was the channel which was offering good tendency to the upside. And now if you see, this is kind of a channel which is looking quite obvious on the lower side. All right. So this is the channel which I think should be offering something kind of a bounce. It is not mandatory that it will be offering a bounce, because you see at this position we have already broken the previous swing low. Now this was the swing low which led to this high. I was thinking that this particular candle, which was a bearish candle, this should offer some kind of a jump, and in fact it did here couple of times, but today it was broken. Now the thing to watch tomorrow will be, are we going to continue this follow through to the downside, or this is the area where we are going to get something like this. If you see, we got a upside, we got little upside, and we might be getting a upside to at least to the upper boundary of the channel, which is close to 18,450 on the futures terms. So that might be a possibility that we might see some pullback, and that will be the tradable part. And in fact, the trend still remains down, because if you see, as per the definition of trend, we are continuously breaking lower lows. You see, we are continuously breaking the lower lows. We are continuously breaking lows. So that by the very definition of downtrend, it satisfies those conditions. So these will be our points to note, that in case this low is broken, then we will be going for a short position. If this is giving something like this and then breaking it, it will be our short position. And on the other part, if we are getting a decent break above this, a consolidation, then only we will be entering a short position or something like this. Because if without breaking also it gives a consolidation, that means the bulls or the bears are gathering some power to just trip over that, and we will be placing our stop loss just here. This. So this will be our scenarios for tomorrow, and we will be opening the trade as per the price action. If it breaks to the upside from here, from above 18 to 37, it will be a buy trade, and below 18,110, it will be a short position. But before opening the short position, you need to just see the consolidation. All right. So these will be the conditions on Nifty. Let's look at the stocks. The Grasim. This has been carrying over from multiple trading sessions, so no need to change this stock. There is no point changing it. You see, this is a consolidation phase I was discussing. If we are going to have something like this, then we will be opening a short position. Otherwise, this is not worth taking a position. So if you see, it did a very minor break to the downside and just flipped to the upside. We did not take the buy position because we are not getting something like a pivot. If it breaks above this and gives a pullback or a swing high point here, then we will be opening a buy position, keeping the stop loss like this. So the logic for our trade tomorrow. So our buy will be above 1756.35. SL will be, initial SL will be 1726. And once you see that price has broken upside, so you will be moving your stop loss to the recent swing low. This will be your trailing mechanism. Alright. Next is Glenmark. Glenmark has been giving good moves, as we have seen that there are some COVID cases rising, and the variant which is found in China has also been detected somewhere in India as well. So there are a couple of pockets of healthcare industry where some action can be seen. So is the healthcare stocks. So Glenmark Pharma will be a buy above 436.4. SL will be 433.4 and will be trailing behind swing low. Next one is Biocon, another one from Pharma Pack. Buy above 269.75 here. In fact, you can straight away buy here because it gave a small pivot and just broke above that. SL will be 267.35 just here. A very minor swing low, and so is the stop loss. So after that, once you are triggered, you will be just trailing behind every swing low. Next one is Lupin. Lupin has also formed a good pattern. In fact, it has already given a pullback, and after it is giving a breakout. So buy around 770, keep the initial stop loss around 759, and then after just keep trailing behind the swing low which is concurrently being formed. All right. So these are the stocks and potential analysis of the same, which might be offering good opportunity for a trade in the tomorrow's trading session. So keep these on the watch list. In case you are having any query or suggestion, please feel free to post in the comment section. I'll be replying it back. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe it and share it with your friends and family. Alright guys, thanks for the support. Thank you very much.